wondered, how does the photochemical environment in the Arctic change after fuel spills? Let's go find out. I simulated fuel spills in small microcosms using fresh water from Anchorage, Alaska, and seawater from Seward, Alaska. First, we spilled crude oil and 5 different types of refined fuels over each type of water. We radiated each sample in the solar simulator for up to 10 days at Arctic conditions. We used a TOC analyzer to test for dissolved organic carbon. Look, more dissolved organic carbon in the light than there is in the dark. We measured excitation emission matrices using fluorescence spectroscopy. Fluorescence showed that one component is derived from crude oil and a separate component is derived from refined fuels. Anyway, looks like spilled fuel really affects the Arctic.